the idea and the strategy of Planview to have everything in one data mesh and one data lake, so to speak, is helping us a lot, and is exactly how we also want and are using the system. My name is Sebastian Büchle. I'm working for Endress+Hauser, a Swiss-based company. I'm there since more than 20 years, leading the project management office there, and I'm participating, or I'm a part of our Enterprise PMO. I use using Planview since 12 years. We started back 12 years ago with the use case for customer projects. Customer projects means projects we do when we sell our solutions, our instruments to customers. And there we just wanted to get better in quality, better in profit, better in how we live our own processes. And there we started 12 years ago. So this was the focus. In the meantime, we have it Planview in use for multiple other use cases. The first one is for strategy implementation. This, I would say, is our newest use case. There we use different Planview products for our strategy implementation. And the second use case I also presented here was for our R&D innovation teams. So when we do innovation, when we develop our products from the idea until the new product, there we also use Planview now with a different focus. There we focus mainly on capacity, investment planning, the right use of our resources, because this was a pain point, and Planview is helping us there as well in that innovation use case. We really like that then we have all the data at one place. So we are already using it in the strategy use case, for example. So we really have a view, a dashboard, where we have data from portfolios, project plays, HR plays, and even SAP added to that in one view. So the idea and the strategy of Planview to have everything in one data mesh and one data lake, so to speak, is helping us a lot, and is exactly how we also want and are using the system. I think also for other customers quite helpful to see this is where we are heading to, and it supports us and probably others as well very much.